What happens when a smartphone combines flagship power, premium design, and AI-driven features into one sleek package? Meet the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus, a device aiming to compete with the biggest names in the smartphone world. Right from the moment you pick it up, the Edge 70 Pro Plus feels premium. The curved display, slim profile, and refined finish give it a modern flagship look. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and instantly stands out from the crowd. The display is one of the phone's strongest features. Motorola has equipped the Edge 70 Pro Plus with a stunning high refresh rate OLED panel that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling through social media, everything feels smooth and immersive. Under the hood, the Edge 70 Pro Plus packs flagship-level performance. Powered by a top-tier processor and paired with fast memory and storage, it handles multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications effortlessly. Apps launch instantly, animations stay fluid, and performance remains consistent even under heavy workloads. Camera performance is another major highlight. The advanced camera system captures detailed photos with natural colors and strong dynamic range. Low-light photography has improved significantly, while video recording offers smooth stabilization and sharp results. Whether you're taking casual photos or creating content, the camera system delivers reliable quality. Battery life is equally impressive. The large battery comfortably lasts a full day of heavy usage, and Motorola's ultra-fast charging technology means you can get hours of power in just a few minutes of charging. On the software side, Motorola continues to offer a near-stock Android experience. The interface feels clean, fast, and free from unnecessary clutter. Useful gestures and AI-powered features add convenience without getting in the way. Of course, competition in the flagship smartphone market is fierce, but Motorola has created a device that balances performance, cameras, battery life, and software experience remarkably well. So, is the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus worth it? If you're looking for a premium Android smartphone with flagship performance, a gorgeous display, and clean software, this device deserves serious consideration. The Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus proves that Motorola is still capable of building phones that can compete with the very best. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Future Lens, and stay tuned for more Smart Tech Simplified, where we bring the future of technology closer to you.